Lanyonscapes almost 2 years now, and I've had a fair association with Volvo and CJD probably for 10 or 15 years now, and we've got a good working relationship with CJD in Mackay. The present owner, Scott Burrell of Lanyonscapes, has owned Lanyonscapes for 10 or 12 years, mainly doing hydromulching and rehabilitation on mine sites with our hydromulch trucks. A lot of the material that we process here now ends up going through the hydromulch truck and being sprayed out for rehabilitation works on roadworks and mine sites. Oh yeah, we've got 5 excavators, 2 10Cs, 2 20Ds. We've got an A25D dump truck, an L90F loader, an L20 loader, little one over there. They're pretty user-friendly machines. They're fuel-efficient machines. As probably one bloke said, you can nearly pay the payments on the fuel savings of a Volvo to some other brands. They're pretty much trouble-free. It's just general service and that we have to do until they get up around the 8,000–9,000 hours. Generally speaking, they're a pretty versatile and user-friendly machine. Yeah, CJD are really easy people to talk to, and yeah, they know their stuff. The spare parts department in Mackay, which I use regularly, Sammy and Steve in Mackay, they know their stuff and they get things happening for us. So you build a personal relationship with those people, you know.
Ramon, I'm lead fitter in Mackay branch and field service technician. So sort of organise the workshop and any field service work that we may have. I did my time with CJD in Mackay and then left for a little while, and I've returned to the company, and I've probably been here for about 7 years. Yeah, so we do a lot of servicing and repairs, breakdowns for Lanyonscapes, and we have for over the years, as well as AJK. So you can see beside us we have a new excavator that I've just purchased, and there's a few other machines around the site, diggers, loaders, to help out with the operation. Yeah, it's an EC220D, one of the smaller excavators out there. They're very good on fuel. Driver comfort has been really good. There's a good network of parts and service, and having a branch out of Mackay will make it a lot easier for them to keep their operation running smoothly. They do a lot of work in the mining and rehabilitation sector, which we're heavily involved with, so having field service techs ready to go sort of works in quite well with them. Since I've been here, I believe it's been quite good, and we've been dealing with them for a long time and know a lot of the people by first name, and I believe that helps out with the relationship in servicing and parts.